Welcome to our Home and Kitchen Gadget Show. Today, we've brought you 5 amazing and highly practical kitchen products that will make your cooking experience easier, faster, and more enjoyable. First, we have the Barstor Behr Hot Pot Electric, a fantastic electric hot pot that lets you cook soup, noodles, or hot pot all at once, hassle-free. Next, the KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer turns tough meat into soft, ready-to-cook perfection in seconds. Third, the Lanacera Digital Cooking Thermometer measures temperature with precision, bringing perfect taste to your cooking. Fourth, the Conshiet CB08 11-piece blender, a complete blender set for smoothies, shakes, pastes, and more. And finally, the Oumisen Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block, a modern and stylish solution for safely storing your knives. All product links are in the description below. Check them out now, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting gadget reviews. Number 1. Tired of slow, bulky kitchen appliances? Meet the Behr Hot Pot Electric, your rapid cooking solution. Perfect for dorm rooms, small kitchens, or travel. Just plug in, choose your power, 500 baobabs or 1000 bulbers. Cook noodles, steak, eggs, oatmeal, or soup in minutes. 2L capacity fits 1 to 3 people, great for friends or family. Non-stick ceramic glaze ensures toxin-free, healthy cooking. Cleanup is effortless, just wipe and go. Safety first, overheat and boil dry protection built in. Removable power cord, take it camping, picnics, anywhere. Transparent lid lets you monitor meals with ease. Compact, modern design fits any space or lifestyle. A thoughtful gift for college students and busy families. Upgrade your kitchen experience, cook smarter, not harder. Ready for fast, versatile meals every day? Get your Behr Hot Pot Electric now and enjoy convenience. Number 2. Transform tough cuts into tender masterpieces instantly. Picture prepping steak or chicken for a family dinner. KitchenAid's dual-sided meat tenderizer is your secret weapon. Textured side breaks down fibers for juicy, flavorful results. Flip to the smooth side, perfect for flattening cutlets evenly. Lightweight aluminum construction means effortless handling. Strong, durable build stands up to daily kitchen demands. Soft grip handle keeps your hand comfortable even during heavy use. Crush spices, nuts, or shellfish with the same versatile tool. Hang it up easily with the built-in handle hole, always within reach. Hand wash for quick, hassle-free cleanup after every meal. At 11 inches long, it's sized for any kitchen task. Upgrade your kitchen experience, make meal prep smoother and faster. Don't settle for tough meat. Choose KitchenAid for perfect results. Ready for tender, delicious dishes every time? Grab your KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer today. Number 3. Stop guessing. Get perfect results every time you cook. Imagine baking bread, grilling steak, or making candy at home. Meet the Lanacera Digital Cooking Thermometer, your new kitchen essential. IPX6 waterproof, clean it easily under running water. 5.1-inch food-grade probe keeps your hands safe from heat. Pocket sleeve clip for easy carrying and quick access. Highly accurate readings with +1°C precision. Wide range, 50°C to 300°C, perfect for all recipes. Instant 2-4-second response, no waiting around. Backlit LCD display for clear readings, even in dim light. Press hold button to lock temperature, no more missed numbers. Switch easily between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Magnetic back sticks to steel surfaces for handy storage. 100% money-back guarantee, 18-month warranty. Shop with confidence. Upgrade your kitchen experience, precision, and convenience in every meal. Get your Lanacera Digital Cooking Thermometer today. Number 4. Tired of lumpy shakes or slow blenders? Meet the Conshiet CB08, your ultimate kitchen upgrade. Picture this: rushing to work, smoothie in hand, or prepping baby food in seconds before daycare. The secret? A robust 900W copper motor, 25,000 RPM speed. It pulverizes ice, liquefies fruits, and purees veggies fast. Unique asymmetric blades blend at 4 angles for smoothness. Special turbulent structure ensures even mixing, more nutrition. Just press, twist, and blend. Hands-free, safe operation. Micro switches lock cups in place for worry-free blending. Overheat protection, leak-proof design, and non-slip feet. Cleanup's a breeze, self-cleaning and dishwasher-safe parts. 3 portable cups with lids, perfect for life on the go. From shakes to baby food, one blender does it all. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Blend smarter, live healthier. Get your Conshiet CB08 today and taste the difference. Number 5. Tired of cluttered kitchen counters and dull knives? Meet the magnetic knife block holder, your new kitchen upgrade. Imagine a clean, organized kitchen every day. This holder fits any knife size, from chef's to paring. Double-sided strong magnets keep every blade secure. No slipping, no shaking, thanks to the anti-skid base. Crafted from solid acacia wood for natural beauty and strength. Smooth vegetable oil finish, easy to wipe clean, no water stains. No installation needed, just place and move as you wish. Safe for your knives, blades touch only the wood, stay sharp. Eco-friendly materials for a green, healthy kitchen. Minimalist design saves space and elevates your decor. Perfect for home cooks and organization lovers alike. Transform your kitchen. Enjoy simple, stylish storage. Ready to upgrade? Click now for a smarter kitchen.